homemade chicken shawarma. So juicy. We're gonna start with a marinade with Greek yogurt, lemon juice, homemade garlic oil if you're nasty, some garlic puree you made up, all of these spices, mix them up and get that in the fridge for a little bit. In the meantime, we're gonna pound out our breasts. You can use thighs if you like, but I'm a breast man myself. Get all that chicken gooped up in there and let it sit overnight if you can, or at least a couple hours. Half an onion, get some sticks, and then just start layering them chicks all the way up. If you only need 2 skewers, feel free, but I pounded them out pretty thin, so I'm using 3. And then don't waste the other halves of the onions, cap them off. Throw some foil on it, 400 degrees for about an hour, then unwrap it. And then you're gonna wanna cry, look at your masterpiece. You're very excited, but it's gonna be another hour. We're gonna put it back in till the internal temperature reaches 165, and then, oh my God, it's delicious. You can put this on pita, salad, over rice. And when I make this, I like to drown it in this Greek yogurt sauce that I make, which is a tub of Greek yogurt, half a lime. I like to use fresh garlic and garlic confit that I make with some of the oil, but if you don't like harsh garlic, you can skip that, with paprika, salt, pepper, a half a cucumber that's been diced up, a handful of cilantro, and then just blend this all the way down to the consistency you like. Add more salt, pepper to taste, and enjoy.